My dear, how lovely of you to join me again for an afternoon tea. How's school, my darling? Is it safe for me to assume that you've already won your classmates over?
Well, I suppose you can say that.
Thank you so much, classmates. That's the report of Group 3. Does anyone have questions? Uy, wag na.
Ay guys, wag na kayo magtanong.
Kabado 20.
Yes, I do have a question.
Na epal.
I just saw some inconsistencies in the data presented. Can we go back to slide number 6, please?
So ayun class, yun yung nangyari sa ex ko na si Man.
Ay talaga ma'am, nakakilig naman.
OMG, oo nga.
Guys, alam na, pagkwentuhin nyo lang si Ma'am para walang quiz.
Ako bahala po.
Ms. Gonzalez, I think we don't need to hear another one of your high school love stories. I think everyone is now waiting for that quiz you promised us last meeting.
Ay, oo nga pala class.
Lo, epal talaga to.
KJ mo naman, Mimi.
Darling, there's something you're not telling me.
They're not warming up to me, okay? And it's not like I'm not trying, Nina. I just don't know where to start.
I know just what you need.
Yun, 10 a.m. na, recess na.
Sa wakas.
Everyone, may I have your attention, please? I have a quick announcement to make.
Lo, no naman yun.
Shh, ka maingay.
I know as the transfer student, I can be quite difficult to deal with sometimes. And
Sometimes.
I know some of you may actually don't like me.
Yan, totoo.
But starting today, that will change. Because today, I will libre your morning snack time.
Yun o, yun naman pala.
Ang bongga ni Mimi.
Bata mo ako.
Hala, Presto Creams. Gusto ko yan.
Oh, Duberry, social.
Uy, kami din, Mimi, pahingi.
Yan, 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 yan,
Magic
yan.
Creams, yun naman pala eh. Oh, thank you, Mimi.
Uy, boy, huwag mo
Boy,
itakbo!
sa bakang hingin.
Hala, favorite namin to, Mimi. Thank you so
That's right. Feed my little minions.
Little do you know, today my path of becoming the student council president begins.
Baliw.
So, how is the plan going? Were either one of you able to charm the boy?
Hi, Nina. I think I just did. No, you didn't.
This is for you.
That was an impressive 3-point shot.
Sam 1, Alex 0. I was just trying to keep myself together, but I honestly felt humiliated.
It's all right, my dear. Oh, I enjoy this drama. It's nice to see my goddaughters compete for what they want every now and then.
Mav, babe, can you do a hug shot for me, please?
That's for you.
Sam 2, Alex 0.
Well, I doubt the boy can do a decent behind-the-back shot.
Sam 3, Alex 0. I kind of feel bad for Alex, but like, not really. I mean, the look on her face is priceless. Oh, so sad. Oh my god, okay, come down. Here it comes. Mav, you are so
Hi, Alex.
Just a dream that
You see all of that? Did that for you.
I never
Sensya tol, akin pala to eh.
Oh my god, yes. I saw all of it. You are so good. Poor Sam. She thought she had it. Do you want to get ice bag? Let's go. I felt betrayed by my own sister.
I think deserve.
Oh my God, the last time I went out of the country, I was so panicking because
Patingin ng panic.
like
Ay, panic nga. O tapos,
because we were rushing out of the house.
Patingin ng rush.
But like
magsasara na ang boarding gate.
yeah, we got there right on time.
Rush
But it
nga.
was so complicated because like I was so hungry then at the time.
Patingin ng
and I
hungry.
had, like,
Paano?
Oh my God.
Ay, kawawa naman. Pero parang hindi hungry.
No, like it was painful. Like
Ay, kawawa naman ang...
parang inuuto mo na ako.
Oy, hindi Patingin mo yung passport mo. Mike, ang daming stamp. Well-traveled yarn. Window 5, balik dito pagkatapos magbayad. Hi, next.
But I really wish you could come, friend.
Ate, susulat ka ate ha. Yung pang-maintenance ni tatay, yung jeep hindi pa natin nababayaran. Si kuya nasa kulungan.
Charot lang. Alam mo naman ako, friend, alipin ako ng salapi. Kaya go lang. Update mo lang ako, ha.
Yeah, I'll just send you updates.
Internet mo pala dun. Paano?
That's easy. I'm going to activate my smart Giga Roam before I leave. It's convenient, and having Smart Gigaroam at your fingertips is the bomb.
Paano yun?
The bomb?
Siyempre, yung pag-activate ng smart roaming.
It's simple. All you have to do as a postpaid subscriber is call *888 to activate the roaming feature. And for prepaid subscribers, just text roam on to 333.
Dali lang naman pala.
Yeah.
Friend, I'm so excited for you.
Paano excited?
Wow, excited nga.
Saan mo ako dun? Paganti ka dun.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, kuya.
Ma'am, nakita niyo yung fuck you? May gumalaw ata eh.
Yung alin, kuya?
Fuck you, ma'am.
Fuck you din.
Ay, ito pala, ma'am. Dito lang pala eh. Oh.
Oy, pre, congrats nga pala sa pag-quit mo sa smoking, ha? Good job.
Oo, pre. Candy-candy na lang ngayon. Nakita mo ba presyo ng sigarilyo, pre? Nak ng 10 piso, pre, isang stick ng Marlboro. Kahit Mighty 7 isa. Nang yan. Unang bibigay bulsa ko dyan, pre, kaysa sa baga ko. Nakakadalawang kaha ko sa isang araw. Wala na, pre. Ayawan na talaga pagka ganyan.
Oy, buti na lang din, pre, yung ganun.
Oh, pre. Nga pala. Umulan habang maaraw nung nakaraan, ah. Ano? Kumusta kasal mo?
Di mo ba nabalitaan, pre? Pinospone muna namin ni Rochelle. Wala, next year na lang. Kasi wala, di talaga financially ready, pre. At saka mahal magpakasal ngayon, pre, ha? Venue pa lang, 100,000. Kinausap ko nga to si Rochelle, sabi ko, kung pwede, civil na lang muna, ayaw pumayag, gusto simbahan. Kaya pag-ipunan muna namin.
Nako. Oo nga, pre.
Rush, huwag ka maingay. Malapit na tayo sa bahay. Ay, hi boys!
Nay, magandang hapon.
Tambay na naman kayo dyan.
Saan ka galing, Nay?
Galing ako sa vet clinic. Dinala ko itong aking bagong alagang sigbin. Hoy, alam niyo ba, ang mahal na pala maging fur parent ngayon. Ang dami ng pausong mga shots, mga rabies shots, mga flu shots. At ang mahal ng grooming. Diyos ko, napakamahal.
I know. Inflation, right?
Ay, sinabi mo pa. Naku, kaming mga aswang nga, itagutom na din. Wala na kaming makaing mga sanggol. Paano? In this economy, yung mga tao, ayaw na magsipag-anak.
Tao po. Ano yan? May asin po kayo? Meron. Kami din, meron. Ano daw ba ang gagawin ngayong araw, Apo? Kiki mo po, Lola.
Kiki mo din.
Carmela, hi!
You should just let me freak you. I said, you.
Have a seat. You're running the company's social media accounts, right? You see, our CEO, Paul, has been made aware of the thirst trap edits of him na pinopost mo sa online accounts natin. Nagba-viral siya lately. Oh, no, you're not in trouble. Paul loves it. He enjoys it. His wife, however, not so much. And although we are really happy with the online traction that we are getting lately, maybe we can keep the hashtags HR appropriate. You put kasi hashtag Zaddy. When Nancy, our senior group manager, announced sa ating company Viber group chat na walang pasok Friday next week, you replied, "Mother is mothering." Medyo tone deaf siya, because I'm not sure if you knew, pero matandang dalaga kasi siya. I actually have here a copy of the medical certificate that you submitted. And while I acknowledge this document, I also have here a screenshot of your close friend's IG story of you attending a concert in Singapore that same day. Can you shed some light on this? And yes, may traidor sa close friend stories mo. Another feedback that I have here is that your teammates have noticed that you've been spending a lot of your time watching BT21 videos on YouTube sa desk mo.
I'm actually a fan too. Who's your favorite? Sa akin si Chimi and si Shuki. Oh my God, they're so cute.
Laway ko naman. Where is my tissue? Oh, you have one. Thank you. OMG! Isn't this the new Clinic Special Edition BT21 on the cloud packaging? And di ba this is only available for a limited time? You're giving me another one? Oh, may isa pa? Oh my God, you gave me all 4 collectible designs. Are you bribing me? Because it's working. During mga Zoom meetings, it was funny at first, pero you really don't have to say, "Hello mga ma'am, sir, welcome to my live," every time you join. I think that's it. But while I have you on here, samantalahin ko na for skill transfer. How do you properly use It's Giving? For example, this conversation that we are having, it's giving termination. Kimi lang. Yeah, I learned that sa isang intern kanina, yung Kimi lang. You may go. Carmela, about your email sign-off, if you could replace Bini Carmela to just Carmela, that will be great. Thank you.